A circuit court judge is deciding whether Hawaii's sex offender registration and notification law is constitutional. The first man charged under the new law wants his case dismissed. Barbara Ho reports.
36-year-old Russell Aquina served his full sentence of 15 years for raping his then-girlfriend's 5-year-old daughter. He was released last year. Honolulu prosecutors charged Aquina with violating the sex offender registration law after he failed to notify officials he had moved from Makiki to Waikiki. The law requires convicted sex offenders to update the state on where they live and work. The public can access that information even over the internet. Aquina's attorney says his client is being punished twice for a crime that happened years before the law took effect.
He paid his debt to society. With the public dissemination of the notification requirements, it amounts to a modern-day equivalent of the Scarlet letter.
Sex offender registration is far from being a high-tech Scarlet letter. These people can still walk through a community. It's not like wearing a sex offender badge on their head or on their chest.
The possibility of the sex offender registration and notification law being deemed unconstitutional worries those who work with sex abuse victims.
It would just be very unfortunate for victims and for the community in general, again, just because of, I think, the message that it sends in terms of coming down on, again, the rights of victims or the rights of convicted sex offenders.
If Judge Francis Wong decides the law is unconstitutional, the case against Aquina will be dismissed. Barbara Ho, Channel 2 News, Circuit Court.
Aquina is also awaiting trial on drug charges after he allegedly sold cocaine to an undercover officer in Waikiki last week.